Hello, this is Wenyao Cheng demonstrating CMS project for week 6. And for this week, we made routes to route between pages. And this is the file. And then now if we go to our website, documents, we can still select each document. And if we click view, it'll open up the URL. And then if we do edit, we can see the message document edit works. And we can also delete documents, and we can also press the add document and it will show you document edit works. And if we go to the context, we can make new context, and then it'll show you the message, and then we can edit and it also show the message, and then we can also delete. And so yeah, that concludes my assignment. Thank you for watching.